Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to the Lilies and Tomatoes Garden. Today we're doing a follow-up on our lettuce and onion challenge with Frankie. And Frankie's going to show us how his veggies are doing, and then we're going to evaluate whether or not they're ready to take the next step. So, Frankie, how have you been? How are your veggies?
I've been very, very well, Quincey, and I'm very happy that you're showing me how to do homegrown foods. And I think soon as I'm starting very soon, I think I've done quite well. So you want me to show you my onions and then I'll show you my lettuce?
Yes.
So I'm going to check, this is my onion, okay? And there it is, there's the roots.
Hold it a little bit closer.
Yeah.
Oh, yep, there we go. You can see they've got lots of great...
you see them roots?
Yup.
We all need roots. yeah. Okay, so there's my onion. I'll show you my lettuce now. There's my bowl and there's my lettuce. As you can see, the top's growing very well. Yeah.
Nice.
The bottom's a little bit more growth. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
It needs to have roots.
Okay.
When you're doing planting from scraps, there are several reasons why the plant can die. So I like to make sure that there's roots on them before I plant them in soil, because that's one less reason for your plant to die. So like the top will grow first,
right, okay.
Have roots by next week.
So it should be grown roots by our next session next Thursday.
Yes.
Okay. If it hasn't, the plant's died. The lettuce has died, yeah?
Well, not necessarily, but
it might just need more time, more water.
It might need more time. As long as you keep changing the water and keep it looking healthy, we'll see how it goes.
I'll do that, yeah.
I mean, the whole point of doing it is so you don't lose anything. Or at least lose anything that you paid for. Okay.
Yeah, I see.
Your onion. Do you have your hold up your...
You want my onion now, yeah?
Yes, hold up your pot so everyone can see what you're planting in.
Yeah.
The pot.
Okay. And there's my pot.
Perfect. So it looks like
a
pot that's about 4 to 6 inches across and about 4 inches deep. That's perfect.
That's right. 4 inches across and 4 inches deep. That's right, yeah. And I put it in a silver foil tray, yeah?
Yes, so it can catch the excess water, and then the water can wick back up into the soil as your plant needs it. And then as you grow more stuff, you can just add them to the same.
So that's how it looks?
Yep.
Yeah.
So all you need to do is, in your pot, is make an indent in the soil.
Yeah.
So just use your fingers and make a little indent in the soil and set the onion on.
And then I'll set the onion in here. Is that right, Quincey?
Yep.
And put the onion in here.
Yep.
Yes.
Yes.
I've done that.
And now just cover it lightly with some more soil. Just a tiny.
Cover the onion over.
Yes.
Right, all over, yeah?
Yep. Just a little bit. Yeah. Perfect.
Okay, so I've done that, yeah?
Yep.
Yeah.
Now just keep it watered. Don't water it too much, but just water it every couple days. You should see green shoots come up.
How many times? Just one cup? 1 cup a day? Or?
No, that's too much. Like, just a couple ounces.
Half a cup?
No, like a quarter.
Okay, couple of ounces. That's great.
Just a couple ounces.
Every day?
Not every day.
Put it all in the soil, all around the soil?
Yes. Make sure the soil is damp, but not super wet. Can you hear me? You want the soil to be damp, but not wet.
So, yeah. So basically, just want it to be damp with a couple of ounces of water Every Thursday or every day?
Every other day.
Every Thursday.
No, every
Right,
other
that's great.
day.
That's fine. I've got that, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah,
Great.
I understand. Excellent.
Technology!
Looking forward to seeing that onion now grow.
Right. So by next week,
So now, is that done?
it's done. Like, you just wait now. You should start to see green shoots come up. Are you frozen?
Wow.
Oh.
Incredible. No?
No, we're just a delay. Okay. So you're all set. Just water it.
Excellent. That's great. Thanks for that, Quincey.
And I can't wait to see what happens. This is going to be so...
All over the soil?
Yep.
All over the soil, yeah?
Yes.
Couple of ounces of water?
Yes.
Excellent. Thank you, Quincey.
Oh, you're so welcome. I'm really excited that you're doing this. If you guys are enjoying these challenges...
Okay, I'll send you the Zoom link now.
Yes. If you guys are enjoying these challenges...
Well, I'll send you the Zoom link, yes?
I'm sorry, what?
Carry on.
Okay. If you guys are enjoying these challenges, please like and subscribe. And tell us what you're growing from kitchen scraps below. Bye.